Okay guys, in rankmesh under the client profiles, there seems to be a couple of people who having some difficulty to use this, so I'm just going to cover it start to finish, okay, instead of explaining from a previously edited campaign that I did, or profile that I did. So I'm going to put in here profile name. I'm going to call this 5 rebrandables, and this is going to be like a profile I use for our rebrandable tools that we will be selling from next week. Okay, so description, I'm just going to put in what the actual products are about, the 5 rebrandables, and I've just written this in my own words, okay, completely in my own words, what a description is. Okay, I've just mentioned about the tools, the lead magnets, that they are rebrandable. People can change things, add things, tweak things, add new things, whatever. Describe the company in your own words. I'm going to put the same information in here. Okay, so it's got the same information at the top and in here as well. Why? Because I can click on here to get the AI to rewrite. Okay, now before I do that, let me fill in some other things in here. Executive name for quotes, I'll just put in here Tony Hayes. This is for press releases. We do have a press release writer. I'll put in here founder, media contact name, I'll just fill that in. Put again founder. Okay, it's got telephone number, etc, etc. Right, now for the company boilerplate, because I put all this information in, which by the way I just wrote into Google Doc, okay, just in my own words, random thoughts, or thoughts as they sort of came to my head. It's got no real sort of focus. It hasn't been written like an article in order kind of thing. It's just me just brain dumping what the rebrandables are, and because I know that I'm going to get AI to rewrite it for me. Okay, so company boilerplate, get AI to rewrite from this. Okay, and it's made it shorter and it's made it more concise. Okay, let me just read this quickly. Okay, that's done. That's good enough. Okay, now when we get into the default content settings, we can now click on here to suggest with AI. Okay, it's going to take all the information from above. It's got the description. This is why I put the description in 2 times. It's still got that full information that I've created, and plus now we have a company boilerplate which AI is rewritten to make it shorter and concise about the company. Okay, so now that I've done that and I'm able to click on AI suggestions, it's identified the target audience, the default content, the default keywords and entities, etc, etc. Now this is where I think people are getting stuck, and I'm not quite sure why, but we're going to do this anyway. Brand voice analyzer. If you want the AI to write in the same style and tone as you, I built this so that we could do that. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up here. I'm going to copy it. And what is it? It is a collection of emails and sales pages and sales copy, etc. That I put into a Google Doc so that I can give to AI to be able to rewrite in the same style and tone. Okay, all I'm going to do is paste this in here. Okay, you can see that's pasted in. Okay, now we can click on Analyze Voice. That will take a few seconds. Okay, and it will now give you that description of what the voice is from what it's analyzed. Okay, now we can click on Create, and our profile has been created. Okay, it's really that quick, that simple to do. Okay, hopefully that helps anybody who was stuck. It's a very straightforward process, and you've got AI assistance all the way through. Thanks.